Welcome to our channel. Today I will talk about ProtoFlow. ProtoFlow is a prostate support supplement designed to promote prostate health and overall well-being. It claims to offer comprehensive support to the bladder, prostate, and reproductive system. The formula is presented as pure, clean, and effective, emphasizing its lack of chemical coatings and non-essential fillers. The testimonials from users suggest positive effects on sleep, urinary frequency, and overall prostate health. Benefits of ProtoFlow: supports normal bladder, prostate, and reproductive system functions, may reduce nighttime urination frequency, positive impact on sleep quality, potential improvements in overall prostate health. Is ProtoFlow safe for health? What are users saying about ProtoFlow online? The official online store has dozens of testimonials from verified users about the difference ProtoFlow made in their prostate health. Become the next success story and order your ProtoFlow bundle today. Check the link in the description to get real user ratings and reviews. ProtoFlow approved by FDA. Get ProtoFlow discount prices from official website. Check link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends,